Introducing the Mighty Mini, your 10L fridge for home and car adventures. Say goodbye to lukewarm drinks and wilted snacks. The Mighty Mini 10L refrigerator is here to keep your favorite food and beverages chilled to perfection, whether you're hitting the road or relaxing at home. Compact size, big convenience. Don't let its small size fool you. This little powerhouse packs a punch, holding up to 12 standard cans, or enough fresh produce for a weekend getaway. Its sleek and stylish design looks great anywhere.